Hey guys, let's make my Sunday dinner. Curry cow foot with cow skin and Escovitch fish, gungo peas and rice, and some broccoli on the side. Let's make it. Starting off with some cow foot and cow skin. I'm gonna cut the cow skin into smaller size. It's so flaco. Sometimes it looks like this with hair. We're just scraping it off because we don't want to ear for our food. I don't know which one of them tough. I don't know if them are stone. It's not cute if you have so much cold hair for your meat. Time to wash this. Vinegar. Limes. About that amount. Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, Scotch bonnet pepper, curry powder, add in the curry powder, garlic powder. You want to really get it up in there, okay? That green seasoning is really making it smell so good. So you want to marinate this for however long you want to, okay? Usually I don't use a pressure cooker, but today I'm not stay long in the kitchen, so I'm going to pressure the cow foot and the cow skin. Add in some oil, pimento seed, garlic, a teaspoon of curry powder. Now add the meat. Cover it and make it sweat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright? Add in about 2 cups of water. And I'm gonna pressure this for about 45 minutes. As you can see, they get very nice and soft. Even the cow skin, look at that. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. You want to be careful. You don't want to overcook this. Like, you don't want it too soft out, but until it has no form to it. You want it to be soft, but not overcooked. Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion and thyme, and onion. Gonna add a small amount of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. You could use any all-purpose seasoning of your liking. Add in my butter beans. That's a good mix. Cover this for the next 10 minutes or so. This all done. Oh my god. And now it's time to look about the gungo rice. Garlic and pimento berries. Add in the gungo peas. I'm using canned gungo peas. Salt. 1 tablespoon of the green seasoning. Mix. 1 can coconut milk. To this I'm gonna add scallion, thyme and sweet pepper. Yes, I like to add sweet pepper to my rice and peas. Add a pepper. Cover for about 5 minutes. Add your washed rice. I'm using about 3 cups of rice. After 25 minutes, we're rice done. Nice and juicy rice. Man, oh man. Also gonna escovitch some fish. I usually just season with salt and pepper. Nothing else. Just salt and pepper and we're gonna fry it. Add garlic to the oil. So I'm gonna add the fish to the pot. All done. If you got too much oil in your frying pot, just take out the excess oil, okay? But leave some of the oil. Don't take out all of the oil. The oil will give the flavor. So I'm gonna add onion, carrots, pimento seed, Scotch bonnet pepper, white vinegar, about 1/4 cup, 1/2 teaspoon sugar. So this is basically it. Because you want your onion to be nice and crunchy, so just turn off the heat, okay? Alright. Add butter. Add the broccoli and the string beans. Add in a pinch of salt, garlic powder, and some black pepper. Cover for about 5 minutes. So soft. Here. Long time I eat cold foot now. Look at the cold foot now. No, sir. Good for your knee. Your knee will bother you. Go and make some cold foot. Tastes too good to be true. And then the Escovitch just top it off. So much different flavor. Let me know what you had for Sunday dinner today. What you had for dinner. Comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Don't forget to like and share.